Yo, what's up? Today, this video, I'll be showing you how to beat the brain of Cthulhu, spawn it in. So, basically, you want to have a Crimson world only. This will only spawn in a Crimson world. So, you want to find the Crimson biome, you want to go down this cave, you want to go all the way down it. Basically, you want to look for these hearts right here. These hearts is how you spawn it in. So basically you have to break 3 of them and then he'll spawn in, but only if you break 3. So most likely when you're gonna fight him, you won't have a pickaxe this strong to mine through the crimson blocks. So really, easiest way is to find some bombs and some gel if you want to. It's easier if you make sticky bombs. So you just want to make maybe about 10, blow up the area. Make sure you break 3. Okay. There we go. Last one. Alright, he spawned in now. You see that? So, he's right here. And I don't know what he's doing. Alright, there we go. Break all the little eye thingies around it. Then you can start damaging him. And then boom. He's dead. And he will not be that easy to defeat. So don't think it'll be that easy. So yeah. Well, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you go check out my other how-to videos and subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching,